Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Huogary electric milk frother. You can get this product on Amazon for about $35. Check out the link in the description. The milk frother comes with a whisk for heating and a whisk for frothing. Inside the frother you will find markings for frothing and the minimum and maximum liquid level. First, I use the frothing and heating function with whole milk. The manufacturer recommends whole milk for the best results. The milk frother is very easy to use and also very quiet. When the blue LED turns off and the red LED is flashing, your milk is ready. I got a really nice froth for my coffee in less than 2 minutes. Now I use the other whisk and try the heating function, also with whole milk. The milk is warm and I also have a small amount of froth for my coffee. Now I try the frothing cold milk function, also with whole milk. I got a really nice cold froth for my iced coffee. I tested the milk frother for about a week and I think it's a great product. I always get a very nice froth and it's also very easy to clean. So if you're looking for a not so expensive but good quality electric milk frother, I would recommend the Huogary electric milk frother. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.